Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Got a really neat one here today. Kind of unique. Hadn't had one of these in a while. This is a 2013 Nash by Northwood Manufacturing. It's a DLX. Model is a 23F. Now, I know most dealers would advertise this a 23, 24 footer, but it's actually 27 feet long, including the tongue and the rear spare. Got some really cool upgrades in this little camper, including the fiberglass exterior, power awning, and it's got the solar already set up with a Z-Amp solar package. Looking around it, folks, got a power tongue jack, diamond plating on the front, stripes and finish for the year model. Looks great, no delamination. Got kind of an outdoorsy theme to it, which I like. Got the geese on it. Inside's got some decorations. But with that solar package, I mean, you get a lot of nice little extras there. Got a little hitch on the back in case you want to put a bicycle rack or something like that. A little generator on a rack. This is pretty cool. It's actually got a generator compartment. That's something you see in so very few campers. So if you want a generator, which most people are not going to use it, but if you want a generator, you want a price on it, let us know. We'll get you a quote. But that's something you see on so very few non-toy hauler travel trailers. But you can see striping and finish good. You know, finish maybe just a tad faded on the front, which is normal. I mean, you got to realize it, as nice as this camper is, it's still 6 years old. But other than that, I mean, this thing right here is nice. Got a big power awning. Double entry doors, got a traditional floor plan with a front bed, rear bath. It's a 4 Seasons model, 20th anniversary, and it's Pacific West Associates all condition unit, 4 season ready, 23F. Look inside, and what's neat, because of the solar, I actually have a hot battery, so I can turn the lights on. Got some really neat decorating touches. Little key holder right there. Step inside here. To your left, your solar charge controller. Getting 13.6 right now, which isn't bad. And full battery charge. Of course, I just have the lights on. You know what's neat about it? With that solar, you can run your lights and it'll keep your batteries hot as long as it's sunny outside. Of course, you can run your fridge on gas, so you can pretty much run everything off the grid except something you've got plugged in, or your air conditioner, microwave. Other than that, all your 12-volt stuff, you got a continuous charging from the solar. So if you like to do a lot of off-grid camping, you'll appreciate that. And of course, you can always put more solar panels up there. You can put an inverter in here to run 110. Now, I don't think you're going to have enough space on this roof for enough panels to run the air. But you can run pretty much everything else if you equip it right. But you can see it's just a traditional, no slide floor plan, which I like. I mean, this is a great little setup. You got a front queen bed in a private bedroom, which is all you need. Got your own entry door from the outside. Got Jensen stereo system, storage under the bed. Very nice overhead cabinets. You got a closet, sleeper sofa and table booth make a bed. You got a small TV up here, stereo over there, ducted roof air for when you're hooked in a generator or shore power. You look through here, you got all linoleum floor, countertops look great, stovetop oven. Look at that, folks. Doesn't look like ever been used. Little backsplash back there, a little decorative backsplash. Refrigerator, which is on right now. I flipped it on. Nice size rear bathroom. At least for, you're not talking about a huge camper here, folks. Big closet back here, some overhead storage. Got a toilet, of course. Sink. Little stand-up shower with a skylight. You can see no signs of water damage. Shower that doesn't look like it's got a lot of use on it. You know, if a couple wanting an easy to tow and use trailer, this is great. I mean, you got no slide outs to worry about. You've got no very little setup involved. Just plug it in, hook your water to it, you're good to go. And the sewer if you've got it. Coleman Mach AC, so you should have no problem cooling it off. Solar, which is nice. You know, that's neat because you don't have to keep it plugged up at home. It'll still keep your batteries hot. You know, I don't see any signs of water damage anywhere. There's no odors in here. There's no smoke or pet odors. This has been a well cared for RV. And it's affordable at only $10,900. I mean, this is something you can go down to your bank or credit union or finance company, get a quick loan on it, get an affordable payment, and you and your family can go camping real quick, or you're welcome to go through one of our lenders. 4,800 pounds, so lightweight, tow it with a lot of different vehicles. I've got a handy dandy tow guide on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. If you're not sure what your vehicle is rated to tow, go to my website, go to the tow guide. It's interactive. Put in your vehicle information. It'll tell you what your vehicle's rated to tow, and you can push a button. It'll show you everything I have on the lot that your vehicle is rated to tow. And it also takes in account water and luggage too. So it doesn't just go by the dry weight. It actually adds for water and luggage. So, you know, really handy thing. It's deemed reliable but not guaranteed. So before you finalize a deal based on the information on my tow guide, please call your vehicle dealer service department and verify with them that the information on the tow guide is correct, because it is a third-party service. Anyway, folks, $10,900, haggle-free, will trade, includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty, includes a complete inspection after purchase, which I have no doubt is going to pass with flying colors. They even replace these lights with LEDs too. That's cool. Or it may have came with LEDs originally. I'm not sure. But they all work. But anyway, folks, includes that 90-day nationwide limited warranty for peace of mind, which you probably never use it, but it's there and you can extend it very affordably if you want to. After this unit's been inspected, anything we find wrong with it or during the inspection, we fix at no additional cost to you. That's covered on the inspection sheet, and it's 4 pages long. If you want to see a copy of it, everything that we're going to inspect and guarantee for the price you pay, again, go to our website, folks. That's where everybody needs to go anyway, because that list is on the website, the tow guide's on the website, pictures, specs, a factory sales brochure, measurements. All the important information you would ever need to make an informed buying decision is listed on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. But and if you're watching this on YouTube, just go to the video description below. The link will be in the first paragraph or sentence or two. But nice little camper, folks. I don't think it's going to last long at this price, especially this time of year. Everybody's wanting to go camping. Winter's over, spring's here. In fact, getting close to summer now. And, you know, this is something that you can afford to use over the summer and, you know, get several years use out of it, and more than get your money's worth out of it. Sleeps up to 6. Table makes a bed, couch makes a bed, then you got your queen in the front, and you got no worries. It's going to be fully functional, ready to go for $10,900. Includes a warranty for $10,900 plus applicable sales tax. Financing is available, but at this thing's price, you can just walk into your local bank, credit union, or finance company, get you a loan, a personal loan, a loan on the camper, whatever works best for you. I mean, it's quick and easy. You don't have to have 10-year financing on a $10,900 price. I mean, what you're going to pay on interest on a long-term loan to save $10, $12 a month on your payment, it's not going to be worth it. But we do have financing if you need it. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. If you're interested, please call before coming to look to verify availability. Keep in mind, we do not check these units out till we sell them, which these travel trailers, especially one nice like this, is not going to take us long. But always verify from your salesperson before you decide to buy what the current lead time is for a travel trailer checkout. But anyway, folks, if you got any questions at all, 706-965-7929. Come out and visit with us, folks. We got 150 plus used RVs in stock. A lot of travel trailers that I'm going to try to post online here. You know, I kind of hesitate because I don't have any power on these things, and it's pretty warm in here, especially when you do 2 or 3 in a row. So, but I'm going to do everything I can, get as many of them on as possible. If you don't see what you're looking for on the website, please give us a call. Tell the salesperson what you're looking for. They can tell you about what's in stock that's not posted online yet. Thank you again for watching, folks. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're located at 5568 Battlefield Parkway, beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. We're 10 miles south of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're 120 miles or so north of Atlanta. We're right off Interstate 75, I-75, exit 350 in Northwest Georgia. Get off the exit, turn west, a mile on your left. Can't miss us, folks. Open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Saturday, 9 to 5 Eastern. Closed Sunday. That's a Lord and Family Day for my employees and truth be known, our customers too. But we're here, folks. We've been here 51 years. Always been here for you. Always going to be. Give us a call. We can save you a lot of money. We have no fees. Everything's haggle free. It includes a warranty. Includes the inspection, includes 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time, in a 12-month period at select RV resorts. Also includes a complete walkthrough after it's been through service and cleanup after purchase by the tech that checked it out. He's going to give you an orientation, show you how to operate everything, answer any questions you have. You can record them with your phone or camera, no problem. Includes a drive-out tag, includes your RV starter kit with all your camping essentials, sewer hose, water hose, pressure reducer, adapters, and much more, all brand new. All that's included, as well as some instructional DVDs. Folks, we can't get easier than that. Pretty much all inclusive for $10,900 plus applicable sales tax. And unlike other RV dealerships, no extra fees. No mandatory upgrades. A scam that's going along, especially with travel trailers right now. You hear horror stories on YouTube of people that went to new RV dealers and bought an RV for a supposedly advertised price. But the RV dealer told them they had to spend $4,000 or $5,000 extra in upgrades like gap insurance, exterior protection packages. You had to finance through their lenders and all that to get that RV for that price. And it's a scam. That's why people go out and they'll see an RV advertised for 25 grand, a travel trailer, a new one. They'll pay on it for 3 years, get their payoff. They still owe 27 or 28 grand on it. And it happens here yesterday with a customer. Same dealer up the road, Ripoff World, does it every time. And all those services that they say you have to buy, you don't. It's a scam, folks. It's truly a scam. If you hold your ground, in fact, you need to walk out. I mean, anybody that tries to charge you a fee besides sales tax, any dealer that tries to charge you, makes you upgrade any mandatory packages, walk out. It's a scam. It's a ripoff. You'll thank yourself later. We keep things easy, simple done. Our prices are haggle free. Doesn't matter if it's cash, finance, trade-in, or a combo, all the same to us. We do have a finance department that we can get you approved through, or try to get you approved through nationwide banks. But there's no interest rate markup. Other dealers, they make 2-3%. They charge you 2 or 3% more than the dealers got you approved for. So costing you thousands of dollars on top of all those other packages they've got marked up 4 or 5 times over dealer cost. Guys, trust me, it's getting bad right now. So if you see a price listed online, don't assume that that's what you're going to pay out the door. Don't. Be double, triple check that, because there are fine print, there's conditions, and unfortunately dealers don't advertise those conditions in the fine print now. Especially on things like Craigslist and places like that where they got salespeople just posting for sale by owner ads, even though they're a dealer, and putting no information about that stuff, disclaimers. Very dangerous, folks. Don't let your emotions get in the way of buying an RV. Get in there, look at it objectively. Even here, folks, I mean, we keep things easy, simple, done. 10-9 sales tax, that's it. Other dealers don't do that, unfortunately. And some do, but most don't, especially the big ones. Anyway, folks, just a little wise, just a little warning, that little scam that I've been made aware of that's going around right now. Just be careful. Always come visit us. We've been here 51 years, so obviously we're doing something right. But thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.